Whenever we generate images with AI, we always need to upscale those images to enhance their quality. Well, there are multiple paid AI image upscalers that offers you to upscale your images in a bulk, but at the same time, it also requires a lot of processing. But today I'm gonna share a free AI image upscaler that offers you 6 different models to upscale your images, and the best part, you can upscale your images in a bulk. So what's this AI tool is? Let's find out. Okay, so first of all, head over to your browser and search DGBLOL. Now click the first link and we are on the website. Okay, so here you can see they have multiple models. They have 4 different AI tools like image upscaler, background remover, RGB to CMYK, I don't know what it is. And then they have the vectorizer model. So you can explore all of these other models, but in this video, we will only try their image upscaler. So simply click on these 3 dots and select tools. So here you can see we have the AI image upscaler, mid-journey splitter, then we have the quick image upscaler, mid-journey zoom, and then we have the background remover, then we have the image to vector. That is a really good tool to convert your simple images into vector. Then we have the DPI enhancer, and these are all different AI tools. So let's try the image upscaler. So simply click on that. And here are a few instructions that you have to follow while uploading your images. So the formats that it supports are PNG, JPG, and WebP files, right? And you can maximum upload 25 files at a time, and make sure that the image file should not be higher than the 10 MBs. So simply click on this arrow and select any image. So I'm gonna select. So I'm gonna upscale this image. If I zoom it in, you can see this image is not fully detailed. You can see a blur effect on this image. Overall, it is a really good image, but it still needs some enhancement. So I generated this image inside of LensGo AI. So if you don't know about the LensGo AI, I already made video on that. That's a really good tool. So let's upscale this image. So I'm gonna select this image, and then you can see we have different models. So we have the balanced model, detailed model, then we have the cartoon drawing, fine tuning, smooth LOL, then we have balanced plus. So we're gonna try the same image in all of these models. So first of all, let's try the balanced model. So I'm gonna submit this image. Okay, so I have selected all of these models, and to find your files, you can again simply click on these 3 dots, and here you can see my files. So click on that, and here you can see all of these images that we have selected to upscale. So this is the estimated time to upscale this image, like 32 minutes. So you can see I have selected all of these models like Balanced Plus. This is from the Smooth LOL. This one is from the Fine Tuning. Then we have the Cartoon Drawing. Then we have the Detail and Balanced. So it does take some time to upscale your images. But the good thing about this AI tool is you can upscale up to 25 images at a time. So you can simply select your images and then select the model and let the AI to do all of the work for you. So we're gonna wait for this, and then I'm gonna compare the results, which model performs best with the photorealistic images. Okay, so our images has been upscaled, and now you can see we have the download option. And if you want to download all of these images in just a single click, you can simply click on this icon and all of your images will start downloading at the same time. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you will have this zip file. So I'm going to quickly unzip this file. Now let's look at the results. So these are the results from the balanced model. And if I zoom it in, you can see we have a really good details on the face, but we also missed some skin texture, right? This image is looking very smooth image, right? Well, let's move on to the next one that is called a detailed model. So if I look at these images, you can see we have the texture, everything is looking good. And if I zoom it in, you can see we have some sharpness on the, like some kind of noise on the face. But if I zoom it out, it looks really good. But if I zoom it in, you can see we have some details, but we also have some noise in it. Now let's move on to the third one. There is Balanced Plus. You can see the image looks really good, but still this is a smooth image. We lost the skin textures. But if I zoom it out, it looks a very, very detailed image. If you look at the cars on the background, it also looks really good. These are the results from the cartoon drawing. That will obviously work good with the cartoon images, but we're not going to compare this one. And this one is from the fine tuning, and this one looks really good. We have some skin texture, but we also have some details, and you can see the cloth texture is also maintained. So these are the results from the smooth, that is obviously a very smooth image. So if I compare it with the original image, so this is the original image. You can see we have a very low details on the face. And I'm gonna compare this with the fine-tuned model because I think the fine-tuned model works very good. So this is the original image. And this one is the upscale image. This one is the original and this one is the upscale. You can see a massive improvement in terms of details. So if I zoom it in, you can see this one is the fine-tune and this is the original image. So we have a massive improvement in terms of details, and I think this is the best AI image upscaler if we talk about the free alternatives, because we have the option for the bulk upscaling and it also offers you 6 or 7 different models to upscale your images, so you can go ahead to the DZB LOL and start using this AI tool for completely free. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.